Students, today we will see 2D and 3D shapes. In previous class, we have seen some geometrical shapes like square, rectangle, triangle and circle. These are plane shapes. Now, plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth, so it is also known as two-dimensional or 2D shape. For example, square and rectangle. Now, what is square? Let us find. Square is a figure which has four sides. All the sides of square are equal and a square has four vertices. Look here. These are vertices. Now rectangle. Rectangle has four sides but two opposite sides are equal. Here you can see two opposite sides, breadths are equal and lengths are equal. Rectangle also has four vertices. Vertices means corners. Triangle. Triangle has three sides, 1, 2 and 3 sides and 3 vertices. So triangle has 3 vertices. Now circle. Circle has no side and no vertex. It is a closed loop. It can be traced 1 rupee coin and other things to form circle. You can trace coins and form circle. Let us see. Now 3D shapes or solid shapes. Solid shapes have three measurements, length, breadth and height. So a solid shape is also known as three-dimensional or 3D shape. In this shape you can see some plane surfaces and some lines. This plane surface is called its face. This plane surface is called its face and this line is called edge and this corner is its vertex. Now these are some shapes: cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere and cone. In cuboid, face is rectangular shape. Cube, its face is square shape, and sphere it is circular shape, and in cone you can see triangular shape. So these are some solid shapes. Now these are some solid shapes and we can see the examples: matchbox, book, brick, tea bag, suitcase and almirah. These are the examples of cuboid. Now what is cuboid? How many edges it has? How many vertices it has? How many faces it has? Cuboid has 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 edges. Then how many vertices? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 vertices are there. Faces are 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 faces. In cuboid there are 6 faces, but from front side you can see only 3 faces because 3 faces are hidden. For example, book. Book is a cuboid. It has 6 faces: front, bottom face, side face, back face, top face and again side face. So book is an example of cuboid. There are 6 faces and by touching you can find there are 8 corners. Here a die, ice cube, sugar cubes, chalk box, and gift box. These are examples of cube. Now what is cube? How many vertices are there? There are 8 vertices. How many edges? Look, there are 12 edges. And how many faces? Look here, there are 6 faces. Chalk, glass, candle, log of wood, and tube light. Observe these shapes. These are cylindrical shapes. And what is cylinder? You have seen it in your kitchen. How many edges, how many vertices, and how many faces it has? Let us see. It has curved edges, 2 curved edges, and 3 faces, 2 flat faces, and 1 curved face. So cylinder has 2 edges and 3 faces, but no corner or vertex. Now next figure is, look here. These are some objects: football, globe, orange, and cricket ball. Which are these shapes? These shapes are circular in shape, but what are they called? These are sphere. It has curved face, no vertex, no edge, only face is there. Now these are some solid objects: top, joker's cap, sharpened pencil, and funnel. You can identify the shape. Which shape it has? It has triangular shape. And the name of this shape is called cone. The name of this shape is cone. How many edges, vertices, and faces it has? Cone has 1 vertex, that means 1 corner, 1 curved edge, and let us see, 1 curved face and 1 flat face. So students, I think you have understood very well the difference between 2D and 3D shapes. Thank you.